Hello and welcome to my little video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a bearing. So let's get right into it. Let me show you our drawing for today. This is the drawing. Now let's go right now start from the top left. Oh yeah, one thing, if you want to, you can take a picture of your phone so you can keep looking at the drawing if you're working on your laptop or computer. Alright. Top left, we got our front view of the bearing. And then we have a section view from A to A, so cut it in half, and then we have this. And from that we took a little detail called detail B. This is our important part. As you can see, we want to draw this first. We want to draw this general rectangular shape with these parts right here. So let's get right into it. So let me show you how you will do that. So let's select Y and Z plane. If you're with me, it's very important that you select the same plane as me. Next up, let's make a little axis. Let's put it here. Now, how far away does our axis have to be from the vertical line? Let me show you. Let's go to our picture. As you can see, on the front view, we have a radius of 14. That means that from here to here, we have a distance of 14 millimeters. So let's take our constraint and place the value of 14. So it's 14. Good. Now let's draw our rectangle. Let's look at our picture. So it has to be 6 times 8. So 6 here and 8 here. Let's do that. So it's going to be longer on this side. Let's give it a constraint. This is going to have to be 6. And this is going to have to be 8. Let's move a little bit to the left. Alright, and let's just move the entire thing down by 1. Now it's centered with the horizontal line. Next up, we need to draw the ellipse. So we have to be careful. Like I said, there's a little ball in there and it has a little bit of room, space to maneuver, which means we need to draw an ellipse. So the values are 4 from here to here, or 2 millimeters as a half radius, and 5, so means 2.5 from here to here. Let's do that now. So let's go here to the ellipse. This has to be 2.5. So select the vertical value and 2.5. Next up, press here, and now we have to select this. It's just going to be minus 16 or minus 20. You decide which side you want to do it. There we go. We got our little ellipse. Next up is a line that divides this. So we have a line here. It's 2 millimeters. So that means this and this. All right. Let's make a line from here to here, and let's make a line from here to here. Now next up we have to use our quick trim command to remove some spots, because we don't need this for our next operation. So double click it, very important to double click it, zoom in here a little bit, and just delete this line. This line, just follow me, and what I delete you should delete as well. This line, yes, it's saying we can't delete it because of this constraint, but it's okay, CATIA can manage this one, and this one. Now we should have this general shape if you've done it. Repeat the video if you haven't done it on time. Then I'll start with the next part. Next up is to get out of the sketch. Select the sketch that we've made, select shaft, and now select our axis, sketch axis, to be the Z axis. As you can see, we are getting the general shape. We got the inner and outer ring. Next up is the ball. So to simplify the drawing for the ball, let's just go to this sketch that's hidden now and press right click and find the third command, either show, or press just H on your keyboard to show it again. then go and make a separate sketch, which is important. Do not double click this, make a separate sketch. So select the plane again, the Y and Z plane, select it, go here, zoom in a little bit, and make a little circle. It has to be centered. Now make a line dividing the circle into two parts. Do not make the line go over the circle's limits. Next up, we have to just trim one side. You decide which one, it's not important. It's just important that we have half a circle. Get out of our sketch. Then we have selected this already. Select shaft and select our axis to be this line that we've made. And be sure for the angle to be 360 degrees. Preview it if you need to and press OK. We have our little ball. Now we need to make 15 more because there's 16 balls in this bearing. So we can hide this sketch right away. So right click and press H. And now select the ball. Be sure it's highlighted. Now find this command. It's in transformation features. Third command here. Select the arrow and find this circular pattern command. Select it. Automatically our object is the shaft that we will be printing. Next up are parameters. Select complete crown because it simplifies our job. We don't have to input our angular spacing. And select instances to be 16. That's it. Now reference element. Now for the reference element, select the X and Y plane. It says we need to specify a point to find an axis. Well, we don't. CATIA can do it for us. Thank you, CATIA. Preview it, and we have equally spaced 16 bearings in here. That's about it for this drawing. Let me just give a better look for you. As you can see, this is the bearing. Now I did not add the rubber spaces or anything because that's something that it's pretty simple to do. You can do it by yourself. The complicated part I did for you so you can do anything else. Now you've learned how to draw a bearing. Be sure to like the video if it helped you, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.